Here are 10 crucial electrical safety tips to keep in mind both at home and in the workplace. Keep electrical equipment away from water. Maintain a safe distance of at least 5 feet between electrical devices and any water sources. Consider installing ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, to prevent electrical incidents like shocks, ground faults, fires, and overheating. Unplug equipment safely. When disconnecting electrical devices, gently pull them by the plug rather than jerking the electrical cord. Pulling on the cord can damage it and potentially cause a shock. Install and tidy electrical cords. Proper electrical installation involves securing fixed electrical equipment and keeping cords out of the way, and away from pets that might chew on them. Familiarize yourself with your switchboard. Understand how your switchboard works. It is a safety device that protects you from electrical current. Ensure that the power entering the switchboard matches the power it distributes to prevent overheating and potential fires. Be cautious around electrical lines. When climbing trees or ladders, especially at heights, be aware of nearby power lines. Childproof your outlets. Use outlet covers to prevent electrocution, especially if there are children around. Investigate flickering lights. If you notice flickering lights, have them checked and fixed promptly. Loose connections or insecure bulbs could be the cause. Install warning signs. Clearly mark areas with high voltage using visible signs to alert people. Avoid DIY electrical work. Instead of attempting to fix electrical issues yourself, seek professional help. DIY attempts can lead to further damage. Call for help in emergencies. If you encounter an electrical emergency, do not hesitate to call emergency services. They can guide you on safe actions until help arrives.